To use an iTunes gift card, you first need to understand what it can be used for. An iTunes gift card is a prepaid card that can be used to purchase music, movies, TV shows, apps, and more from the iTunes Store, App Store, and Apple Books. The first step is to redeem your gift card. To do this, open the iTunes Store on your device. Click on the Store tab, and then click on Redeem. You will then be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, you will need to create one. Next, enter the gift card code, which can be found on the back of the card, and click Redeem. The gift card balance will then be added to your Apple ID account. Once your gift card has been redeemed, you can start shopping. Browse the iTunes Store, App Store, or Apple Books and find the item you want to purchase. Click the Buy button, and the cost will be deducted from your gift card balance. You can use your gift card to purchase individual songs or albums, rent or buy movies and TV shows, and download apps from the App Store. You can also use your gift card to subscribe to Apple Music or Apple TV Plus. When making a purchase, make sure you have enough balance on your gift card to cover the cost if you do not have enough balance. You can add a credit card to your account to cover the remaining cost. It is also important to note that iTunes gift cards can only be used to purchase digital content from the iTunes Store, App Store, and Apple Books. They cannot be used to purchase Apple devices or accessories from the Apple website or retail stores. By following these steps, you can easily use your iTunes gift card to purchase your favorite music, movies, TV shows, and apps. Remember to always check your gift card balance before making a purchase and to only use your gift card for digital content from the iTunes Store, App Store, and Apple Books.